Are you ready to take your first step into the world of cloud computing? Preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 exam can be challenging, but we've got you covered. Don't go into the exam blind. With our comprehensive practice tests, you'll get hands-on experience that mimics the real exam environment. Each question is carefully crafted based on the latest exam objectives and comes with detailed explanations to ensure you understand the key AWS concepts like services, security, billing, and compliance. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this course is designed to maximize your chances of passing and give you the tools needed for real-world cloud success. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start your journey toward becoming an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Your future in cloud computing begins here. Happy learning and best of luck on your AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam.